Hey guys, it's Brandy with Eternal Harvest, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this weathered wood look super easy and fast. Stick around. Okay, things that you're going to need are gloves for staining, a stain of your choice. This is Briar Smoke by Varathane. You can use anything that you like. You're going to want a really clean cloth in order to apply stain. You're also going to want this paste finishing wax. I use the Minwax brand, but you can use any finishing wax that you have on hand. Cut your cloth into smaller pieces, well, I guess depending on the size of item that you're staining. I'm just staining something small, so I just need something small to apply. After sanding your pieces all down and cleaning them all off, give them a good wipe down, and then you can apply your stain directly to the piece, like I do here. Once the stain is on and dry, you can open your paste wax, and I just used a putty knife to apply your paste wax, but you could use your finger or any other tool, screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, whatever you have on hand. I really like this paint scraper. Take a little bit on the edge, and then I tend to kind of just scrape it across the top of the piece to make it look like weathered. Where I think the paint needs to come off and show the stain through is where I apply the wax. The wax dries fairly quickly, so once it's applied in the shape or pattern that you feel is best, this is kind of what I do, then you can go ahead and set your pieces down to let that wax dry up a little more. Once those have had a second to dry, you want to move them to somewhere where you can spray paint safely. I am using just a white paint that I had on hand. You could really use any color that you have or that you want with this piece. I don't use any primer because I want it to look weathered, so I kind of want the stain to show through in some areas a little bit. Cover your pieces thoroughly, and you'll notice that the paint will bead up a little bit over the wax. That's okay. It'll even still look a little wet once the piece is dry, just where the wax is, and that's okay too. You're going to scrape off that wax in the end, so it doesn't matter. Then you're going to want to give that time to dry 100%. You want to make sure it's really nice and dry before you try to scrape off that wax. Here the pieces are completely dry, but you can see where the wax is lifted up, where the paint, you can kind of see those wax lines right there. That's what we'll be scraping off with this paint scraper in the end. I just take it and scrape it down the side of the piece, and you can see where the wax lifts right up out of there and the stain shows through. I really love this look. It was perfect for farmhouse style decor or little weathered wood, and it gives it just a really cool effect. As you're removing the wax, you're going to want to make sure you have a paper towel or somewhere where you can scrape the wax off of your paint scraper so that that remains clean as you go across every single piece. It builds up pretty quickly, and I always forget to have something on hand. Luckily here I just have my board underneath and I'm just wiping it on there. But it'd be good to have a piece of paper or a paper towel or cardboard box or something like that to wipe your paint scraper clean. And that's it. Now you have a new technique to try. Super quick, super simple, cool result. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.